So we have our thread and we have our bobbin. Our bobbin goes at the bottom of our needle. Thread goes at the top. So I'm going to put the thread on the top. And then our bobbin on the bottom. You always want your bobbin thread, just like it has here on the guide, to be coming from the left side. So this thread's coming from the left side. Place this in bobbin holder, and we're going to place it around this little slot here, and we're going to cover. Top thread, guide, always going to go through the hook. So it comes straight across, and then you're going to go down. It's not focused. Most machines will have a guide. So this says 2 on it with the arrow down. So you're going down, and then number 3 says back up, and then there's a little arm inside of here. You want to loop around the arm and then back down. Now we can thread our needle. Put the string through the needle, just like this. And there's a little holder right above it that you can put your thread behind to keep it nice and straight. It's hard to do this with one hand. Okay. All right. So now it's nice and straight. Okay. Now we have a bobbin thread at the bottom and our top thread. Once we take our little knob here, which raises and lowers the needle, this, lower it all the way, and then back up. Then pull your top thread, and it will pull the bottom thread up as well. So you want both ends. So we have our bottom and our top threads at the top. And then we want to take both of these strings and place them through the slot under the presser foot to the back before we start sewing. Now you're ready to sew. So once they're placed to the back, you can start sewing.